Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove a Slack workspace. If you're no longer using a Slack workspace or want to declutter your list, this video will show you how to leave or remove a Slack workspace, either from your phone or desktop. So let's clean things up. Now let's start by following these few simple steps together. On mobile device. Now on your mobile device, go to the Slack app and click on it. And make sure you're logged in using your account's credentials. Once you log in, tap on the workspace icon in the top left corner. Here, you're gonna see a list of all your joined workspaces. That means the workspaces that you joined or created. For this example, I'm gonna create a new workspace here. As you can see, these are the workspaces. This is the list of workspaces. The second step is to long press or tap and hold the workspace or click on the three dots. Now on some devices, tap the workspace, then tap manage or sign out. Or you can go to settings and sign out of the workspace. Now here we're gonna click on the three dots. And from these options, as you can see in the bottom, there's the option that says sign out. Click on it and then confirm signing out. Now this doesn't delete the workspace, it just removes your access. Now on desktop on the other hand, you can click on your profile picture and sign out of workspace, or you can open slack.com and go to your workspaces and select workspace, then click leave workspace or sign out. You've now removed the Slack workspace from your device. Easy, fast and tidy. Remember, only admins can delete a workspace permanently. Regular users can only leave or sign out. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.